Hello children, today we will study the class 10th chapter trigonometry. Yes, any idea about the trigonometry? Fine. In this chapter we are studying, first of all we are studying about the introduction part of trigonometry. First, we are dealing with the introduction part of the trigonometry. Secondly, it is about the trigonometric ratios. Which are the ratios? You will come to know there are 6 ratios. Third part it is special angles of the trigonometry. Trigonometric special angles. Then the next is we have to study about the complementary angles. The complementary angles of trigonometry. Complementary angles of trigonometry. And next, last one, we have to study about the trigonometry identities. There are certain identities used in the trigonometry part. As we use it in the algebra, the identities are different. Same way, there are certain trigonometric identities also. We are using them and finding the solution. First is introduction of trigonometry. What comes under the introduction of trigonometry? See here, first one. Introduction. Yes, it is a branch of mathematics. Fine. And it is a branch of mathematics. It deals with the sides and angles of right angled triangle. Always the right angled triangle. See, we are learning the sides and angles, the relationship between. It is a branch of mathematics. Introduction, trigonometry is a branch of mathematics. It is dealing with the relationship between sides and angles of right angled triangle. So then if you want to use the trigonometry in day-to-day life, how you are going to consider the applications of trigonometry? How you are going to consider the trigonometry? See, if a person is standing here and he is seeing the top of the hill, then his eyesight goes in this way, and from the bottom and where he is standing, see here at the center, we are taking from the bottom to the person where he is standing and weaving this side. So we are getting approximate like this. Always the right angle triangle means one angle is always a 90 degree. Yes, based on this there are 6 ratios. Which are the 6 ratios? First one, sine, cos, tan, cosec, sec, cot. First one is sine, cos, tan, cosec, sec, cot. Sine is always equals to 1 upon cosec. If you want to find the cosec value, you are getting the reciprocal form of the sine. Then cos is equals to 1 upon sec, or cosec is equals to 1 upon sine, sec is equals to 1 upon cos. Reciprocal form, they give the ideas of each other. And tan, what about the tan? Tan is equals to sine upon cos, and cot is equals to cos upon sine. This is, what is this showing? That means cot is also equals to 1 upon tan. Now you understood which are the ratios. They are sine, cos, tan, cosec, sec, cot, and how they are interlinked each other. If we want to get the cosec value, we can find the reciprocal of sine, then we are getting directly the cosec. Then sec value, we are getting the reciprocal of the cos. Cot, we are getting the reciprocal of tan. In this way we are getting these all ratios. And next comes how to consider in a right angle triangle. See, I am drawing a right angle triangle ABC. At B there is a 90 degree. At B 90 degree is there. Then opposite of this will be hypotenuse. If this is hypotenuse, then if angle A is said, the angle A is given, and if they tell you to find sine A is equals to question mark, then what is the sine A? See here, angle A is given and you want the sine A. Always the opposite of the angle will be the perpendicular and the remaining will be the base. One idea I am telling you, see, whenever they tell to write about sine A, then you are going to put a mark at the angle A here, and opposite of this will be your perpendicular, and opposite to 90 degree will be the hypotenuse. This you know. Then after that the remaining one will be the base. So sine A is equals to, always sine is equals to perpendicular upon hypotenuse. So what is your perpendicular here? It is BC. BC upon hypotenuse is AC. So sine A is equals to BC upon AC. And in exam, if they have given, or in the any of the example, if they have given the centimeter of the hypotenuse, the length they have given of the perpendicular base, you can use it and write the sine A. And now what about cos A? Cos A is equals to base upon hypotenuse. Base is AB upon hypotenuse AC. Then tan A. What about tan A? Tan A is nothing but your sine upon cos. What is that? Sine BC upon AC whole. See, this is your sine A. Then cos A. AB upon AC. It is nothing but AC and AC, the denominator get cancelled when we take the reciprocal of this. So BC upon AB. We got BC upon AB for tan A. That is nothing but your sine upon cos. Then based on this we can even find for the cosec. Directly see here in front of sine I am writing cosec A is equals to cosec. Okay, cosec A is equals to reciprocal of sine. You have mentioned it here. Then what is that reciprocal form of this? AC upon BC. Reciprocal, that is BC is numerator, it is becoming the denominator. AC is a denominator, it is becoming the numerator. Then next, cos A we know. What about the sec A? Sec A is equals to reciprocal of cos, that is AC upon AB. That is nothing but, see here, what you have written for sine A, perpendicular upon hypotenuse. Then sine A is perpendicular upon hypotenuse, cosec will be hypotenuse upon perpendicular. Then cosec is AC upon AB. What is AC? AC hypotenuse upon base. Okay, these are the reciprocal form of the sine and cos. Then what about tan is there? What about the cot A? Cot A is nothing but the reciprocal of tan. What is the reciprocal of tan here? BC upon AB is there. We are writing AB upon BC. What is AB and what is BC? AB is your base, you can see in the figure, and BC is your perpendicular. It is the reciprocal form of the tan. Cot is equals to. This is all about the ratios. And one more thing to mention is, when they give you sine A angle, you are getting these ratios. But every time the constant is sine, when you are finding the sine, it is perpendicular upon hypotenuse. When you are finding for the cos, it is base upon hypotenuse. Whenever you are finding for the tan, it is perpendicular upon base. Yes, P, B, P upon H, H, B. See, this is for sine, this is for